Welcome to your midweek weather forecast, where the day starts off with some fog along the west coast as well as along the northeastern escarpment, where we can also expect some drizzle in Limpopo. It'll be a partly cloudy and warm afternoon in the northeast with a mostly sunny and hot day for KwaZulu-Natal. Then we'll see quite a thick band of cloud and scattered thundershowers extending across the country. A few thundershowers will extend through to the southwestern interior, and after a hot day we'll see thundershowers extending all the way through to the south coast on Wednesday evening. There's a high fire danger warning over parts of the northern and western Cape with runaway fires possible, and there's a watch of the possibility of severe thunderstorm development that extends across the northern Cape with potentially large hail and damaging wind. You'll see that band of scattered thundershowers affecting parts of the northern Cape and the Free State, as well as much of the eastern Cape on Wednesday, with isolated thundershowers extending through to the northwest, and we'll see thundershowers extending through to the coast much later on in the day. And then here's that morning drizzle over parts of Limpopo. It'll be a warm afternoon in the northeast with a high of 27 for Johannesburg and Mahikeng, just shy of 30 degrees for Pretoria, and Polokwane and Ermelo head into the mid-20s. A warm day throughout the Free State with highs in the upper 20s. Hot for KwaZulu-Natal, 32 for Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg, as well as Mthatha and Bishu, and a sizzling hot day for Grahamstown at 35. You'll see a predominantly northeasterly component to the wind along the east coast, with strong winds for East London at 29 degrees, with strong gusts of wind as we head towards KwaZulu-Natal, and a 1.5 metre south-southwesterly swell with a long wave period of 14 seconds. A toasty afternoon for Somerset East, Oudtshoorn and Robertson, all at 37, 36 as we head towards Worcester. A warm afternoon for Volkswagen, 28 in Muizenberg with a moderate southwesterly wind. You'll see southwesterly winds all the way through to Cape Agulhas, out of the 20 km/h southeasterly wind between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, and a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell along the south coast. 33 degrees for Uppington, around 30 degrees for Carnarvon and Sutherland, and Kimberley expecting a warm afternoon. 24 for Alexander Bay with a light southwesterly wind. We're forecasting northwesterly winds for Cape Town in the morning, and that's replaced by a moderate southwester later on in the day with a high of 29 and a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell. We'll see some rainfall for the Western Cape on Thursday with a hot day for KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld, and we'll see thundershowers mainly over the central and northern interior. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Wednesday.